Hi, document designers. This wraps up our sequence of video clips about applying paragraph styles in Word. And much like a cooking show in which I bring out something that has already been cooked, in the previous 6 video clips I've shown you how I've gone about imposing a semantic structure on this already formatted outline summary by applying a series of paragraph styles, uh, usually that already existed, and I simply used the style gallery to uh, designate that certain character formatted styles would look a certain way. For instance, this was formatted this way, and I turned that into a list bullet. There are other tweaks I could do now that styles have been applied throughout the document. There are no paragraphs in the document with the normal. Oops, there are some normal styles. Still, looks like I haven't finished my work here. So I need to turn on the style gallery and say that's supposed to be a bullet list 2. These are all bullet level 3. This is back to 2. Again, if I had my shortcut keys defined and I could remember them, I could be doing this with the mouse and keyboard in combination for a little bit quicker application. Okay, select those. That's this bullet 2, this bullet 2. Oops, extra space there in front. Okay, now I can safely say there are no empty paragraphs, there are no paragraphs with the normal style applied, so I can save this. It has been formatted using paragraph styles, using best practices. There's still some things I could tweak. For instance, in many definitions of paragraph styles, there's no space between the paragraphs of the same type, particularly with lists like this, with bullet lists. But I could go into list bullet, correct that very easily for all of the list bullet paragraphs in the document. And the way I do that is I'd say, I'm going to give 3 and 3. That puts a little bit of white space between the bullet list. Whoops, a couple more normal lists, normal paragraphs there. And I can do the same for the list bullet 2. If I use the little clicker here, it goes up to 6 at a time, so I just type right in and make it what I want, which is 3. Now there's a list bullet 3. Okay, that looks pretty good. I'm sure there are some other little things that could be tweaked, like right here I see that for the list number that I created out of the originally formatted numbered list, we have an indent on the second line there, and if I wanted to line that up, I'd have to have my ruler showing, and I'd need to basically pull this over to there, which moves, unfortunately moves that line over there over, which I don't want, so I got to pull it back. And then because it's number 10, I really need to have the whole thing lined up a little better, more like that. So I need to remember to come back over here and say to match it to my latest changes, so that all of these will, the numbered list will match up again. You see. All right, so that looks like that'll work.